Ever try adding your Apple Wallet balance to Amazon Pay, thinking you could seamlessly use that Apple money for your Amazon purchases? Let's get straight to the point. Unfortunately, you can't directly transfer your Apple Wallet balance to Amazon Pay. Apple Wallet, especially Apple Cash, is designed to function primarily within the Apple ecosystem. This means it works great for Apple Pay transactions at stores, online, and within apps that accept Apple Pay. Amazon Pay, on the other hand, is a separate payment platform that doesn't directly integrate with Apple Wallet or Apple Cash. They're essentially competing services. So, when you're checking out on Amazon, you'll need to use other payment methods like a credit card, debit card, or a bank account directly linked to your Amazon account. Think of it like trying to use a specific store's gift card at a completely different store. It just doesn't work that way. Apple Wallet wants you to use their money with Apple Pay, and Amazon Pay wants you to use their accepted payment methods. So, while you can't directly use your Apple Wallet balance on Amazon Pay, you have plenty of other secure options for paying for your Amazon goodies. Hopefully, this clarifies why you can't directly transfer your Apple Wallet balance to Amazon Pay. Thanks for watching.